Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today's recipe is oven-baked chicken with vegetables in a rich and flavorful sauce. It turns out incredibly delicious, juicy, and full of taste. For the ingredients, I have some chicken pieces here. Use whichever parts you prefer. They can be from any part of the chicken. These are already cleaned and ready to use. But if there is any excess fat or skin left, I'll just remove it. For the vegetables, I have 3 potatoes here, cut just like this, and 1 large carrot sliced the same way, plus an orange or green bell pepper. Use whichever color you have available, and I also have a red bell pepper. Cut them all into big chunks. And here are 2 tomatoes as well, cut with their skins on, also in large pieces, and 1 large onion. I've sliced the onion the same way. So that's all we need for now. Let us move on to the cooking steps. In a pan, I've added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I'll let the butter melt completely. Then I'll add the chicken pieces. Add a bit of salt. And a little black pepper. Let them brown on one side, then I'll flip them over. Once the chicken is nicely seared underneath, I'll turn them to the other side. Add a small pinch of salt again, just a little bit. And another touch of pepper. Let them brown on the other side, then I'll remove them from the pan. Now, in a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 cloves of garlic, a bit of salt and pepper. Don't add too much salt because we'll also add soy sauce. Then a splash of light soy sauce and 1 spoon of honey. Mix everything together really well. Now coat the fried chicken pieces with this delicious marinade. Make sure they're well covered on all sides. In the same pan where we cooked the chicken, add 2 of the potatoes. Add the carrot pieces too, and saute them lightly. Let them cook together for a few minutes. Now add the red bell pepper and the rest of the peppers. Add the onion and stir. Then 2 cloves of garlic, just sliced like this. Now add the 2 tomatoes. Add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. If you don't have it, use your favorite herbs. Like thyme, rosemary, or any herbs you enjoy. Then 1 spoon of paprika. A bit more pepper. Adjust to your taste. And salt, also to your liking. I love adding some thyme, rosemary, or oregano. They go perfectly with this dish. My vegetables are now half cooked. That way, once we bake them, it'll only take about 30 minutes to finish. Take an oven-safe dish and pour in the sautéed vegetables. Then place the chicken pieces on top. Pour the rest of the marinade over everything. Bake at 180°C for 30 minutes. Then we'll see the final result. Garnish with a bit of chopped parsley. Take a piece of chicken and some of those delicious vegetables. They're soft and saucy, perfect for dipping bread. Add a little of the sauce on top for those who like extra flavor. And here is our dish for today. I hope you will love it as full of flavor and so easy to make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe. See you in the next video from Spice and Easy Kitchen.